is the networking. Now, very, very important. Networking. Now, industry report says that more than 85 to 90% of the job that the Fausis are targeting, right? Because they are not going there as a fresher. They're going there in the mid-level or mid-senior level. So all these positions, they are filled through networking. How many of you think that this particular figure could be true? Can you give me a thumbs up? Whoever I can see on the screen, that 85 to 90% of the jobs at the mid-level or mid-senior level will be always filled through references and recommendations and networking. Yeah, I can see a few of the hand, thumbs up. So that's why networking becomes very, very important. ये मतलब integral part है आपका transition करने का, right? Like I also started about almost 2 years when I was planning जब मैं FMS Delhi University में executive MBA कर रहा था. So that was the time when I started networking with people. And when I say networking, a lot of people say कि आज चाहे वो LinkedIn के through connection हो गया or you meet someone in some event. तो आज hello hi हो गया and next day you give them the resume saying कि मुझे job चाहिए. Now, do you call that networking in actual sense? Is that what networking called? No, right? So networking, doesn't happen in a day. Networking is professional relationship development. Like any personal friendship जो होती है, जिस तरीके से डेवलप होने में टाइम लगता है, right? First you have to know, then you have to like, then you have to build up a trust, then you have to nurture. जब एक मैच्योर हो जाती है, when the other person is very comfortable, okay, he knows not only your professional competence but also how you are as a person, what is your work ethics, right? जब ये सब चीज आपकी पर्सनालिटी का भी सब कुछ पता चल जाता है, then that is the time when he or she will think yes, अगर कोई मेरे पास जॉब आएगा, then I think I will basically take this particular person or I will refer or recommend this particular person. So that networking and professional relationship has to reach that level. And सिर्फ जान पहचान से नहीं होगा, because जान पहचान आप imagine करो how many people that particular person may be knowing. एक कहीं पे जॉब खुलता है, right? At least there will be 100 people who will know about that particular job and that particular person. But he can, maybe recommend handful, 4-5 को recommend कर सकता है, 50 के तो resume भेज नहीं सकता है, right? So 4-5 में क्या आप हो? Have you developed that kind of rapport, that kind of trust with him कि अगर वो कहीं पर recommend करने की बात हो तो सबसे पहले आपका नाम उसके दिमाग में रहे, right? We need to reach to that level. So that is actually networking in true sense. And it needs to be, two ways. Because अगर one way है, it will not sustain. So try to see, how you can help the other person. Right? हो सकता है, I'm just giving example. हो सकता है the other person actually is looking for, someone who wants to go into a security manager, right? लेकिन वो आपका नहीं, आप तो operation में जाना चाहते हो और या IT में जाना चाहते हो. But since you know that he has got this requirement, you can suggest your own batchmate's name. आप अपना किसी का दे सकते हो कि yes, मैं इस बंदे को जानता हूँ, ये भी हमारा फौजी है, right? He'll be able to do good job for this. तो इस केस में क्या होगा? You have already done from your side, you have extended your help. तो उस केस में हो सकता है कि now, whenever something comes up, the other person will definitely, reciprocate. तो networking ऐसे strong होता है. One-sided it will never, sustain for long. Right? It needs to be both ways. So you help, the other person helps. You help, the other person helps. And it always starts with first giving, right? First sowing a seed and then waiting for the fruits. जनरली हम क्या करते हैं उल्टा, कि अगर मुझे कोई हेल्प करेगा तब मैं हेल्प करूंगा, तो ऐसे तो कभी होगा नहीं, राइट? सो ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम गिविंग विदाउट थिंकिंग कि ये कुछ आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, बट आएगा जरूर, आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? वो बोलते हैं ना, नेटवर्किंग इज लाइक अ मसल. Muscles क्या होता है? I mean, you have to go to gym every day, like almost to build up that muscle. So same thing happens with your networking. You have to keep nurturing it, keep talking to people. जब मैं किसी से बात करता हूँ तो वो कहते हैं कि सर मैंने एक बार बात किया था 6 महीने पहले, उसके बाद बात नहीं किया. अब वो 6 महीने पहले अगर आप ही भूल गए हो 6 महीने पहले बात किया था या 5 महीने पहले, तो आई एम श्योर द अदर पर्सन वुड हैव डेफिनेटली फॉरगॉटन यू, राइट? तो ऐसे केसेस में अगर जॉब आएगा भी तो ही विल नेवर रिमेंबर यू और योर नेम, right? So that needs to be worked, reworked, so that, as I said, top of the mind recall में रहना चाहिए, because then only it will help. Right? And I'm sure everybody on LinkedIn, anybody who is not on LinkedIn, thumbs up. Anybody who is not on LinkedIn, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I don't see anybody. That means everybody is on LinkedIn, right? And as we know, LinkedIn is one of the largest, in fact, the largest, right, networking platform या professional platform बोल लो. 1 billion users. That means world का population कितना? 8 billion है, right? So 1 in 8 people are on LinkedIn, and India is number 2, right? More than 10 crore people are on LinkedIn. And इसमें 4 out of 5 people are decision makers. That means those who can say yes or no to the reference or recommendation, those who can create new projects if required, those who can say yes or no, right, to a particular job hiring. So 4 out of 5 people. And quality prevails over quantity. Now, a lot of people ask me, sir, मेरे पास तो मेरे LinkedIn में तो 800 contacts हैं या 1200 हैं या 3000 हैं. But the thing is, I'm not getting, when I, ask certain questions, people don't reply, or when I post, people don't see, or I don't get job offer from, this kind of platform, right? That is because we are not targeted, right? You have to identify कि मुझे किसके साथ networking करनी है, because just having a followers or contact list actually doesn't help you anywhere. It only looks good कि यार चलो मेरे पास 4000 लोग हैं, वो सिर्फ एक feel good factor है, but उसका utility शायद बहुत ही कम है, right? So focused approach, which industry you are interested in, which domain you are interested in, right? What kind of role do you want to do? What kind of companies you want to work for, right? Select those and then identify who all are working there, and then how do you get introduced to those, ऐसा, right? ऐसे नहीं कि मैं स्टूडेंट को भी कनेक्ट में ले रहा हूँ, इधर भी ले रहा हूँ, उसको भी ले रहा हूँ, उसको, तो नंबर तो बहुत है, बट मेरे को जाना है सप्लाई चेन फॉर एग्जांपल, और महिंद्रा लॉजिस्टिक्स और अमेजॉन, उसमें मेरे पास सिर्फ 4 गिन के 4 हैं कॉन्टैक्ट्स, फिर क्या होगा? सो व्हाट्स द यूज ऑफ हैविंग सच अ वास्ट लिस्ट इफ यू हैव वेरी few people in your domain, in your target domain or target industry. Okay? Because I also got my first job through networking only. I was referred by someone to some Fauji, and that he referred me to someone else, and that's how I got, right? And काफी Fauji का similar kind of story will be there. So networking is very very important. In fact, ये जो अभी हम विविधता वाला कर रहे हैं, I think Ayushi reached out to me through LinkedIn only, right, Ayushi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Before this, I did corporate training. Again, somebody approached me through LinkedIn. I never knew that person. But they said, I've been following your post, I've been seeing your video, so I think you're the right guy to, conduct these 2 days of training. And I was called and I went. Someone from US, he was a naval veteran, right? But he said, veteran का challenges हर जगह same ही है, चाहे वो India में हो चाहे US में हो. This transition journey. So we did 1 hour of interview. He is sitting in US, me here, right? So we did on Zoom, and this on YouTube. Some online magazine, they contact me through LinkedIn that they want an interview of mine in that particular magazine, right? So we did it. I got few job offers from LinkedIn, through LinkedIn, right, rather. But I'm not looking for that. But still I get. So what I'm saying is it has got immense power. Only thing is, are we utilizing it in the manner that we should? Right? अगर मेरे को इस particular field में आ रहा है because I've been putting time, effort, energy in this. So if you put similar kind of time, effort, energy, and learning in your own sector or your own domain, whatever you want to do, obviously you'll also get the similar kind of result. Because platform तो same है, right? If it is helping me in my dreams, obviously it'll help you also. Only thing is, it needs to be used that way. I think that is the only thing that is the difference, right?